Licis. I'm a professional strongman. After so many years of doing this competitively, I'm feeling it. My body's a little worn down, so I'm here in physical therapy San Pedro, getting some stuff worked on, trying to get myself back to my A game because I got a big show coming up called the Rogue Invitational, and I want to be on my A game to destroy my competition. The body's like a musical instrument, so physical therapy is just tuning my body, getting everything to work just right, synergistically, so I could get the most out of my strength. We're really trying to figure out what my deficiencies are, what my imbalances are, and even more so trying to get rid of the pain so that way I can lift more and more pain-free. And it's working. Every single week I've been feeling better and better and better. Pain shuts the nervous system down. We needed to lower pain as much as possible to help heal injuries so we can get the most out of our bodies. The work here at Physical Therapy San Pedro is athletic. It gets me doing movements, getting more in tune with my body. I've been to other therapy centers where I'm just sitting and plugged into electrodes or getting stretched, and to me that's not effective. I need to be able to do movements on my own every single day. One thing I love about coming here, you understand what athletes need. They understand biomechanics of the motions that I do, and we can dissect exactly what's falling apart, what's working, what isn't. The progress here in the past several months has been fantastic, but every week it gets better, and I'm able to raise the bar on what I can do. On competition day, I just want to be confident that my body's firing on all cylinders and I don't even have to think about it. All the therapy and work has been done and I'm ready to go.